welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking program, guys. We want to celebrate Black History Month, guys. This month is Black History Month in England. Basically in Jamaica would be a different time, in the US it'll be a different time, but in England this month is where we come together and celebrate Black History Month. And I'm telling you guys, the recipe for Black History Month from Chef Ricardo and team is gonna be callaloo and saltfish and cornmeal. So it's gonna be turned cornmeal with callaloo and saltfish. It's amazing recipe. It's just something, you know what I mean, where basically it touched everything from the Caribbean. You know what I mean, most Jamaican love saltfish, most Jamaican love the callaloo, and I'm telling you, it's just the most. I remember back in Jamaica when I used to have turned cornmeal, so I know what this is all about. Turned cornmeal is nice, it's really nice. It all depends how you make it also. So today we're gonna make Black History Month recipe, turned cornmeal with saltfish and callaloo. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, share the video to make other SP. But at the end of this month and this weekend, we're gonna celebrate Black History Month, guys. It's mighty powerful, and you know what I mean, it's a time when every black does come together and united and build the family stronger. So we love from Chef God and the team, and remember, share the video, share it, guys. A lot of people don't know this month is Black History Month. So if you get the video, please tell it to someone and make someone watch it and see what it's all about. Turned cornmeal with saltfish and callaloo. Enjoy it and see you next time. Nice. Bye-bye. So we're gonna make you Black History Month recipe, which is turned cornmeal with saltfish, callaloo, coconut milk, cornmeal, and also we got spring onion and white onion and some fresh thyme. We got a large cup of mug water right here, and also we're gonna put a pinch of butter. So this is all of my ingredients. It's Black History Month, guys, and you know what I mean, we have to do something for Black History Month. My idea, I'm gonna deliver a recipe which you can do at home also. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. Get a copy of my cooking book on Amazon. Nice. I'm gonna use this medium size wok frying pan right here to make my turned cornmeal in. I got it on my stove about 2 minutes now. Pretty hot. Pop a teaspoon of vegetable oil inside of it. Put a little bit more heat. Medium size heat at the moment. So as you can see, this is the first thing which you want to do, guys. Then some thyme and white onion and the gall and tap and the spring onion. Pinch of saltfish, as I said. Saltfish gonna go inside of it. Roughly a handful of saltfish. Salt up this off about 3 to 4 minutes. Then we're gonna check out the thyme. Let's look at the thyme flavor. That's one. We got some callaloo. Lovely and nice. Coconut milk. Might put a little bit more coconut milk. A little bit more. Turning our stove to medium. And also butter, unsalted, room temperature. nice one. Look at it. Beautiful. Give it a little bit more heat. Let the butter get to melt out inside of it. Looking lovely and nice. And next thing we're gonna add a little bit of water. Pinch of pepper. Add a little bit more water. Because I'm not making too much, guys, I'm just making a little bit. So pinch of salt. Careful on the salt, because you got saltfish inside of it. The water which I use is just warm, lukewarm boiled water, so I have it and it boiling a little bit, just cold a little bit. But this is beautiful, guys, as you can see. I'm not even moving the camera. I make you guys see exactly what's going on. So you see it's boiling up. Next what we're gonna do, basically take a little time, and I'm using the fine cornmeal, guys. Sorry, take a little time adding the cornmeal. A lot of people forgot about turned cornmeal. So the rest, so I use a cup of cornmeal. So I'm gonna add a little bit more coconut milk. But the coconut milk do give it a flavor and a taste what you're looking for. Turning the stove a little bit more. Add a little bit more coconut milk. The reason why I use the coconut, because the coconut milk does give it nice, lovely flavor and taste. Turning the stove completely down to medium size heat, guys, not too high, because you don't want it to be burnt. Let's give it a taste and see. This is nice. This is nice. Give it another try. Yeah. Now, to be honest, this is finished. This is finished because the fine cornmeal is do really good. I'm gonna turn off my stove. This is finished, guys. I'm gonna share it out, make you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. Turned cornmeal with saltfish and Callaloo and coconut milk. Beautiful recipe, guys. Try it at home, and if you like the recipe, please come back and write it below on my box. So, right here, this is it. Nice one. So I'm gonna share the turned cornmeal, guys. Basically, I want to simply say to you that this turned cornmeal is black instrument recipe. You know what I mean? So let's say I put my cornmeal inside of this because it's just an idea I want to share with you guys. Turned cornmeal, yeah, everyone do it different, but you know what I mean, I know of my recipe which I, you know what I mean, I do so many things with turned cornmeal. Even in the school, we use turned cornmeal, but we call it a next name. We don't call it turned cornmeal. Anyway, when you have turned cornmeal, you always make sure you have a glass of water with you. Very important. But as you can see, the turned cornmeal with callaloo and saltfish and coconut milk. Guys, I'm begging you, please, if you never tried none of my recipe before, give this one a try. It's a Jamaican dish, and I'm telling you, it's beautiful. And also, what I could do, I could press down this one and serve it and put it in my oven and bake it and serve it as a vegetarian dish. So there's so many things I could do with this turned cornmeal, guys. So hopefully you like the recipe. Subscribe to the channel and please leave your comments. And remember, tell someone about Black History Month recipe, guys, because this month is Black History Month and we are doing this recipe for Black History Month. Turned cornmeal with callaloo and saltfish. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and see you next time. Bye bye.